excited you're back with us today. We have a super fun Christmas tree cake. Yeah! This is just in time for Christmas. Are you so excited for Christmas? It's coming up so soon. Make sure while you're watching, you hit that subscribe button. Give us a huge thumbs up and leave us a comment. This is going to be a fun Christmas tree cake. We're going to give it a face and hands. It's going to be so fun. Are you ready for a Christmas trivia question? Over the hill and through the woods to whose house do we go? It's in A Christmas Carol. If you think you know, leave us a comment. See if you're right or stay to the end to find out. We're going to make lots of fun details on this cake today. Get our cake all ready for Christmas. Are you all ready? Do you have lights on your house? Or a Christmas tree up? Have you hung your stockings up by the fire yet? We haven't hung our stockings up because we have a kitty cat who I'm pretty sure would try to steal the stockings in the middle of the night. That would be so silly. So we're gonna wait until Christmas Eve, and then we'll put our stockings out just in time. Good. Cute little stocking. Ooh, red and white.
Wow.
Looks like a candy cane. You guys know I love candy canes. We've talked a lot about candy canes before. About putting it in hot chocolate or using it as a stir stick. Or crushing it up into a powder and putting it on top of ice cream. It's so good. Do you have any other ways you love to eat candy canes? Remember, while you're watching, hit that subscribe button, give us a huge thumbs up, and leave us a comment. Make sure you never miss an awesome magic cake video. We've got super fun videos coming up. Aw, stars, lots of stars. You guys know we can never have too many stars. And a big star for the top. We love stars. Do you have a star at the top of your Christmas tree? I actually don't have a star. I have a snowflake on the top of my Christmas tree. A big, sparkly glitter snowflake. It's pretty fun. This looks like our cake blanket. And our cake and our creamy frosting. Num 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 num. This looks so good. Who's getting hungry for cake? I know I am. Are you ready for the answer to our trivia question? Over the hill and through the woods, to whose house do we go? Over the hill and through the woods to grandmother's house we go. Do you go to your grandma's house? I still go to my grandma's house. She actually lives pretty close to me, so it makes the travel a little bit easier. There's our our trusty cake irons. You know we love our cake irons. Smooth it in. We're adding some texture. I'm so excited for Christmas. It's gonna be so fun. Do you live somewhere where you might get snow on Christmas? Or do you live somewhere super tropical and warm? Either way, both are super fun for Christmas. Either you can play in the snow, or play on a beach, or in a swimming pool. That'd be super fun too. Aw, our fun little Christmas tree has eyes and a mouth too. It's so cute. Now we're gonna add some of our little ornaments. On his cute little hands. That's so fun! So adorable! Aww! The stocking! This is looking so cute! Ooh, and all of our stars now? You can never have too many stars. They're so fun and sparkly. And shiny pearls too? That's so awesome! That looks so good! So sparkly and so shiny! Aww! Remember to hit that subscribe button, give us a huge thumbs up, and leave us a comment! Aww, our cake is so full of awesomeness! How fun! Wow! So many stars and snow! That's so pretty! And our star on top! So perfect! And all ready for Christmas! All finished!